Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the light. Just had to turn off, huh? But I'm gonna do an unboxing of the shocks and the sway bar links for my 2008 Toyota Avalon, and it go from like 2005 to 2012 Toyota Avalon, and it's the same with the Lexus ES350. It's the same parts, but I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm very excited. I got the parts today. I can't wait to get them installed. I don't even know what's the price, what my mechanic is gonna charge me to install them, because I'm not doing it myself. I'm too tired to do that. But let's get into it, shall we? Alright guys, I'm in the garage right now, and I'm gonna flip my camera. I'm gonna show you guys the box. Alright guys, this is it right here. And as you guys know, if you don't know, well, now you know. I bought it from eBay, off eBay online. This one came with the sway bar links, so I ended up paying like $142 altogether. So it's two shock, the whole assembly, of course, for the rear, my rear, the rear of the car, two sides, the left and the right side. So do I have anything to cut this tape open so I could show you guys how they look and everything? I'm gonna try to hurry before my mom call me, because she usually call me if she don't think that I'm back into the house. Sometimes I'll be staying out late, so she be calling me while I'm if she think that I'm not home yet. Long story, I'll be out doing DoorDash, so sometimes I'll be coming home late. Sometimes I don't be in the house, so you know how that goes. Using my key guys to bust this box open. All the tape. See, not bad. Not bad. So, comes real wrapped, and I say these are the links, guys. Sway bar link for the rear. You know, sometimes why I bought them. This is the reason. I'm gonna tell you the reason. The reason why I bought them. I bought it because I could have got it cheaper. I could have got it like about $100 without the links. But the reason why I got the links is because sometime, since my car is like a 17-year-old car, sometime this bolt right here, sometimes the links itself be hard to remove, and sometimes they had to use like a saw to saw it off and take it off. Like, I seen videos that rust build up and everything, and it's just crazy, you know. So I was like, you know what, I don't want to give the mechanic no issue, no problem. If he can't get it off and he have the saw to saw it off, you know, cut it off, whatever, at any means, and replace it with a new one, I don't mind. So I was like, you know what, in case that, let me just get it with the links. So it's two links, the right side and the left side. It looks just like this, guys. Two of them. This is one, and the other one is right here. So right side and left side, and sometimes, yeah, right side and left side, guys. Sway bar links. Now, as for the whole shock assembly, It tells you all the warning. Whole shock assembly, guys. This is how it looks. Comes with instructions, of course. So it's nothing really too hard to, put together. As you know, that one go to the top. This side go to the top. This go to the bottom to connect all the bolts at the bottom. And the same with the other one. With this side. So you guys can see it. They really did to do their best to secure, so it don't rip the box. So if you guys could see, the bolts is touching this piece right here, so you protect it, so you don't basically rip the box apart. So it's pretty, I say it's pretty secure, and it was shipped by FedEx too, so they really did a good job. Great package, good protection, brand new. It's not used, it's brand new. So you guys could see it, and it's heavy too. Of course, I'm guessing that's the part number right there. So yeah, guys, this is the whole shock assembly. Can't go wrong. Brand new. Bought it off eBay, both of them. Right side, left side for the rear. End up spending $142, and it also comes with both left and right side sway bar links. So I can't wait. I'm excited. I can't wait to get it installed. They're gonna need to like remove. I don't think they need to remove completely my back seat, but they're gonna need to get to the top part to unscrew the bolts, the 3 bolts at the top. So when they unscrew the bottom, it could just drop down and replace the old one and install this new one right here. Both of them on the right side and on the left side. And if it's the same price to, like, as I said, if they could take off the old sway bar, because they're going to need to take off the top piece, of course, when they're taking it out for the old one. If they let me know that the old one bushing is gone, whatever, I'm gonna just let them just replace it, put everything new sway bars and new shock absorber, shock assembly. Just replace the whole thing, all of them, everything. So this conclude this video, guys. As I said, this will be the same. If you on a budget, I say, hey, go on eBay. I'll say go on eBay and shop. Shop. You find cheap parts, good quality parts. You can look up the reviews. Your shocks don't go bad like that unless you keep on dropping in a lot of potholes, or if you overload your vehicle with a lot of weight. If you overload your vehicle a lot of times, and you keep dropping in a lot of potholes, it mess your shocks up. So be careful on the road, take your time on the road, and also don't overload your vehicle. You feel me? But this concludes the unboxing, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am very excited. This will work for the Toyota Avalon from 2005 to 2012, and it will do the same with the Toyota with a Lexus ES350 from 2005 to also 2012. So that concludes this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. It is totally free to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe on YouTube basically mean if you hit that man, everybody just love to call me when I'm recording, huh? Everybody just love calling me while I'm recording. But anyways, as I was saying, subscribe basically means when you hit that subscribe button and I upload a new video, you'll just get a notification. That's all it is. It's totally free of charge, no money, no asking for no money, none of that, guys. But hit the like button, leave a comment if you have a comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Every time when I upload, you'll get a notification. Stay tuned, man. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all y'all. Hit that subscribe button, man. Help my channel to grow. You feel me? Stick around with your boy. Peace. Bye bye. Take care and God bless.